In this video I'm going to explain the concept how we can merge the contents of two files into third file. So the meaning of that, after completing the first content, I want to add the content of second file, and that everything I need to copy into my third file. So this is a program. So here it is my header file #include stdio.h. In my main function, I am creating 3 file pointers to hold the respective files. So here file is a data structure. So star fp1 is a first file pointer. Now I can open my file for read mode because I want to read the contents from my first 2 files, and I need to write these 2 files into my third file. So now fopen. So now I want to open my files at my location desktop. So I'll open my first file, first.txt, in read mode, and I can do the same thing. I'm created one more file pointer, and then I'm open my file second.txt also in read mode. So now I need to create one more file pointer to hold the third file because I need to copy these 2 contents into that file. So that I'll try to open the another file which also I created on my desktop. So now I'll take one variable of type character. So my variable name is C here. So now I'm checking whether these files are existed in my system or not, because our assumption is already first .txt and second.txt files are existed with some content. So that we have to open that and we try to read the content into that. So I'll check it by using this statement if fp1. fp1 is nothing but the file pointer for the first file is null. So when it is null means if your file is not existed, means the file.txt first.txt file is not existed, then the statement will become true. Or fp2, because I want to check whether all these files are existed or not. If any of these 2 files which is open for read mode is not existed, then it will show you like could not open a file because the files are not existed in your system. Right? Files are not existed in your system. So simply it will display this statement. See, here I am using OR because any one of these conditions are true. Then it will return like could not open a file because the files are not existed in your system. So here we are open your third file for write mode. So when you open your file for write mode, so if the file is not existed, then your compiler will create a file in that and it starts writing. So for third file we don't have any problem, but we have to check for these 2 files are existed or not. So now if the files are existed, means if condition failed, then your files are existed in your system. So now start read the contents of first file first, because I want to merge 2 files. So first of all I have to copy the entire contents of my first file to third file, and then I'll continue copying the second file content into my third file. So it will means you the merging of 2 files. So now I'll take while loop. So C equals to fgetC. So fgetC is a function which will take the character by character from the file pointer specified by a file. So here I'm using fp1, so which is pointing to my first file. So first.txt. So now it will read character by character until it reach end of the file position, and it will copy that content into fp3. See, fput C is nothing but writing. So now you are writing the character into third file, so which is pointed by your fp3 file pointer. We can do the same thing for your second file also. So that I am using while C equals to fgetC. Here you can pass your file pointer to, because you want to copy the content from your second file. So now until it can reach end of your file position, you can read character by character and you can write into third file by using fp3. So now I want to simply display the things on my desktop, that is merged the contents of two files into third file. And after completion of my task, I need to close all my files. So fclose of fp1 will close the first file, fclose of fp2 will close the second file, fclose of fp3 will close the third file. So now the return 0 will be the last statement because my main function is of type integer. So now I'll show you the execution of this program for all cases. See, I just compile and run this program. So it will show me like could not open a file because the files are not existed in your system. See, my default location I am trying to create my files first and second.txt are my desktop. So see, this is my desktop. You can observe that there is no file named first.txt and second.txt. So now you can observe that here is the file is created with the name third.txt because I am executed the program. I already said when you try to open a particular file for write mode, if it is not existed, then your compiler will create that file and it tries to open that. So now I open this third.txt, it is empty because my file first file and second is not existed, so that I didn't copy anything into my third file. So now I just delete this file because after executing the same program again it will create. So I just create two files, simply a text file. So here my file names are first.txt and I'll create one more file, second.txt. So now I'll put something into my files. So here in first.txt, so I can give like so I'll give the content into my first file like this. All of you please stay at home. So this is my first content. I need to save this content. And in my second file, stay home and stay safe. Suppose this is my second file content. So I just save this second file and I'm closing this. So now I'm again executing my program. See here file first and second files are now existed, then it will doesn't show you like files not existed. So simply it will create a third file and it will copy the content of first file after it copy the second file content. Now I'll show you. See, merge the contents of two files into third file. So now we can check whether the two files contents are copied into your third file or not. So I just see here, now you can observe in my desktop third.txt file is created. I just open this file. You can see the third.txt file will consisting all of you please stay at home. So this content is from your first file. Now it is merged with your second file content. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.